400 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself.
'Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the path. I don't care. Go on and
Everything we know about you guys is wrong.
I don't care if you do.
But you know what? I am the person I am today because of you. I never told you that, but it's true. You are the bravest, most stubborn, most determined knucklehead I know. Toothless didn't give you that hiccup. He just made it
Easier.
and now it's gonna be a lot harder. So, what are you gonna do about it?
'Cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Oh. 'Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. Oh. I don't care. Go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. 'Cause in a sky full of stars, I think I see you. I think I see
Please, you are my best friend, bud. My best friend.
He always said he'd become the strongest of them all. And he was right. You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon. Only you can bring our worlds together. That is who you are, son.
Attaboy, that's it!
A chief protects his own. The Alpha protects them all. You are amazing. I love you too, and I want you to be free. There were dragons when I was a boy. Some say they crawled back into the sea, leaving not a bone nor a fang for men to remember them by.